ready to unlock smoother communication and extend your reach with Retell. First, log into your Retell account if you haven't already. Make sure you have a Retell account set up. Once logged in, locate the settings or profile icon, usually found in the top navigation bar, and click on it. Inside settings, you will find an option labeled something like phone number, connections, or profile. Click on this to proceed. This section is where the magic happens. Now, on the phone number setup page, you will see a field to enter your phone number. First, select your country code from the drop-down menu to ensure proper dialing, then type in your phone number and double-check it for any errors. A simple mistake here could have you start all over. Once the number is entered, click the Connect or Verify button. Retell will then send a verification code to the phone number you provided. This code confirms that the number belongs to you and enables the call functionality. Within moments, you should receive a text message containing the verification code from Retell. Carefully enter this code into the designated verification field within the Retell interface. After entering the code, click the Submit or Verify button. If the code is correct, a success message will appear, confirming that your phone number is now linked to your Retell account. You are now ready to start making and receiving calls using Retell.